Susan. Today I'm working on the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge and we are on week 39. And our prompts for today is something noisy. And I've got this truck, I've got this dog. They can be noisy. And I know from experience, 2 little boys can be very, very noisy. A written personal goal or ambition, and my personal goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. A tree with leaves that are not green, so I've got this fall tree. Text in a foreign language, I've got this. Something you're thankful for, and I'm thankful for my family. And a color you don't use often, and I've got this like kind of between a green and a yellow and a very, very pale purple and pink. I don't use those colors, at least together, very often. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing pretty good. I certainly can't complain. Let's see here. I guess that's not technically text, but it is a foreign language. I'm going with it. Let's see. If not, I just won't have it. Okay, let's see how I do this. Got that. Maybe go. I love these little boys, and I love this dog. Maybe something kind of like that. That's cute. He probably wasn't even 1 year old yet, and he was probably 2. And now he's 30, and he will be 28 in December. So that was quite a while ago. And my handsome hubby, he hadn't changed much in looks, just a little bit more gray, that's all. Hair's a little shorter. Okay, so let's start getting some of this down. Well, it's not a whole lot going on. We are watching Burn Notice now, and it's pretty good. It's sort of like when you watch The Unit and some of the shows we watch, it's kind of a more serious, believable. This is a little bit more lighthearted, you know, show, but it is still good. There we go. Let me get them down. I am reading, it's The Housemaid. Not The Housemaid Secrets, but The Housemaid. And so far, it's pretty good. I'm just going a little slow with it, is all. And let's see what else is going on. Not a whole lot. It's hot today. It's supposed to be hot this weekend. We've had some nicer weather, but the heat is supposed to get back up in there just in time for the end of summer. But still not quite as bad as our summer months here. Okay, got that. Got the truck. Got the little boys. Got the tree. Okay. Let's see, nothing else much is going on. We finally got new phones. Last phone we got was a iPhone 7 Plus. So we got the 15 Plus. So I'm excited about that. My battery in my old phone wouldn't even hold a charge for much over an hour. It made it very hard for doing too much. Let's see, I think I'll come down and touch that just a little bit. And it felt like Christmas. Unfortunately, you got the bill to go with it, but at least ours was a free with an upgrade, and it had been such a long time since we upgraded. So I'm filming with it now, so we'll see if there's a difference. It's the first video I filmed with it. Okay. I think that's cute. It's simple. And I think I'm going to go ahead and collage over here just because I had these extra pieces that didn't fit. So I can add that there. And I've got this little boy. All right. Can add him there. And we've got this tree. Okay. This is pretty simple. I don't really ever do much storytelling with mine. Let's see if I can, if there's any other embellishments I want to add. I like that. Okay. I like that. Okay. Looks like that one's already been inked. Okay. I had inked everything else, but this I pulled out of my box. I must have was going to use it one day and didn't. Sure. I have some more things over here. Got that color again, so I don't use that very often, that yellowy green color. And let's see. See, I've got another little fall ticket. Got a few round ones I can add. These are just cartoony things I got off of a digital collage club, Making and Creating. It'd be kind of fun to put around. husband and his little daddy and his little acorns. Okay. See, maybe that one show up better. All right. Maybe put this one over here. I do have this one to give me an odd number. Don't want it there. I think I want it there. All right. Well, I know I didn't do splatters, but I believe I'm going to call this one done. Let's see what we have. We have got something noisy. We've got the truck, got the little boys, got the puppy dog. They all can be noisy. A written personal goal or ambition is to reach 1,000 subscribers. A tree with leaves that are not green. I've got this. Text in a foreign language. I've got handwriting in a foreign language. Something that you're thankful for. I'm thankful for my husband and my sons. And the bonus, a color you don't use very often. I've got this little yellowish green looking color. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't cost you anything. It sure helps my channel to grow, and I surely do appreciate it. So y'all take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out our Etsy shop. It's Mellow Miller. And check out the hashtag 2024CW39 to see what everyone else has made. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.